Good morning, students. Today we will be studying about the indexing of topographical maps, which is done by the Survey of India. We have already studied about marginal information and about signs and symbols, as well as the relief representation. This practical is about the indexing of topographical maps. So a topographical map, as you all know, provides a graphical portrayal of objects present on the Earth's surface, and it gives basic or preliminary information regarding terrain. It is very useful for engineers, geographers, geologists, and for any discipline which requires data related to the land surface. To identify a map of a particular area, a system has been adopted, and this is done by the Survey of India in a very systematic manner. There are three series which are published, namely South Asian series, India and Adjacent Countries series, and Carter International to Wander series. The Survey of India, which was established in 1767 and which are the large scale maps, publish various maps at different scales. Firstly, the million sheets, which are where the scale is the smallest, and it goes down to the 1:25,000 series sheets, which has the largest scale. So we have uh, 7 maps here. Firstly, the million sheets, then degree sheet, inch sheet, which is in the British system, and the same inch sheet in the metric system is called 1:50,000 series maps. Then we have the half inch sheets, and then lastly the 1:25,000 series sheets. So firstly, the million sheet is known as the million sheet because the scale is 1:1,000,000, the RF scale. We have already studied about the scales, and this scale is adopted for the map, which has a latitudinal extent of 4 degrees by 4 degrees, and the range is from 4 degrees north to 40 degrees north latitude and 44 degrees east to 124 degrees east longitude. The number of these maps is from 1 to 136, and it covers only the land areas, leaving out the squares which fall completely into the sea. So it begins from the numbering begins from the extreme northwest corner and it comes to the southeast corner. We can see in this India and adjacent series diagram that there are so many million sheets, each having an extent of 4 degrees latitude and 4 degrees longitude. Now here you can see a close-up of this where we are looking at India and adjacent neighboring countries. So if we look at the numbering, it starts from 28, 29, 30, 31 and it goes on till 95. Now each of this is 4 by 4 degrees. So if we take the example of any one of them, like for example 63 number, then it is having a latitude of 20 from 24 to 28 degrees and a longitudinal extent from 80 to 84 degrees. Or if we take in Maharashtra any example, the latitude is from 16 to 20 degrees and the longitude is from 72 degrees to 76 degrees. So each of these million maps has an extent of 4 by 4. Here we can understand that if we have taken the number 53, the latitudinal extent is from 28 to 32 degrees north, that is 4 degrees along the latitude, and 76 degrees east to 80 degrees east. So the index number of this map is identified as only the digit 53. From this we can understand that the extent is 4 by 4 degree and the RF is 1:1,000,000. This is an example of a million sheet of the Bombay edition in 1973. In the Department of Geography in Wadia College, all these sheets are available, and students can come and have a look at them so you can understand them better. Let's get down to the second one, that is a degree sheet. This is obtained when the million sheet is subdivided into 16 sections, so 4 rows and 4 columns, and each will have a latitude of 1 degree by 1 degree, which is why it is known as the degree sheet. Now in this case, instead of digits, the letters are used, the capital letters starting from A from the northwest corner, and it ends at P, and it is taken column wise. These degree sheets are designated by the number and then it is followed by the alphabet. So if it is 53C, then you can understand that this is a degree sheet. These numbers are represented in the top right corner of each topographical map, and these are available in our department. Now, if we look at this degree sheet, we can see that the extent of each sheet is 1 degree by 1 degree. The main 53 number is from the million sheet, and these are numbered as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. So if we take the example of 53N, then here we can say that latitudinal and longitudinal extent is 1 degree by 1 degree. The scale is 1 is to 250,000. The number, it is called as 53N, and in this case we can say, if we start from here, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So for N it will be, the latitude will be from 30 to 31 degrees north, and the longitude will be from 79 to 80 degrees east. So like that, each of these maps you will have 53A, 53B, 53C, 53D, and so on right up to 53P. This is an example of a degree sheet in Pune. We have many other degree sheets also in the department, which you can come and visit and have a look at them. Now, the next subdivision gives rise to what we call as the inch sheet or the 1:50,000 series sheets. Now, since the Survey of India was established during the time of the Britishers, the British system has been used for very long. So these degree sheets, which are divided into 16 parts, are known, each one of them is known as the 1-inch sheet. And when these were converted into the metric system, the same sheets are known as the 1:50,000 series sheets. Now let us look at how they are divided. The same manner, there are 16 sheets, and there are 4 rows by 4 columns. So if we divide 1 degree into 4 parts, that is 1 degree has 60 minutes, and 60 minutes divided by 4 is equal to 15. So each map will have a latitudinal extent of 15 minutes and longitudinal extent of 15 minutes. They are numbered with the digits again. So since there are 16 of them, it is numbered from 1 at the northwest corner and up to 16. So if we write the number, index number as 53B by 3, we are referring to an inch map or a 1:50,000 series maps. So from this diagram, it is clear that in this case we have the latitudinal extent at the base 30 degrees and here 31 degrees. So this is the degree sheet, which is 53B. Now when we want to get an inch sheet, we have to look at these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 16. So they are numbered column wise. So if we take the example of 53B by 3, it will have a latitudinal extent of 15 minutes and longitudinal extent of 15 minutes. So here it will be 30 degrees 15 minutes north to 30 degrees 30 minutes north. and longitudinal extent from 76 degrees to 76 degrees 15 minutes east. So each one is 15 by 15. So here it will be 30 degrees 15 minutes, 30 degrees 30 minutes, 30 degrees 45 minutes, and 31 degrees along the longitude, along the latitude, I'm sorry. And along the longitude we have 76 degrees east, 76 degrees 15 minutes, 76 degrees 30 minutes, and 77 degrees east. Okay, so we have a 15 by 15, and this is the recognition that it is an inch map. So this is an inch map where you get three three numbers. First is the main number, which is of the million map, then is of the inch map, and this is then is of the degree map, and then is of the inch map. So 47 f by 14 is the subdivision, and you get this number which indicates that this map is an 1 inch, is known as a 1 inch map. It used to be known as a 1 inch map also, because in the British system the maps used to have a scale of 1 inch is to 1 mile. So therefore it was used to be referred to as a 1 inch map. Then we have another subdivision of the degree sheet itself, which instead of being divided into 16 parts, it is divided only into 4 parts. So each will have a latitudinal extent of naturally 30 by 30, because 60 divided by 2 is 30. And then here the directions are taken: northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. So such sheets are identified as 53 m by southeast. So here this is 53 m. It is divided only into 4 parts. So this is, if you look at 53 m by southeast, the latitudinal extent is 31 degrees 30 minutes to 31 degrees to 32 degrees, and longitude is 79 degrees 30 minutes to 80 degrees east. Okay, so in this diagram we haven't represented the minor subdivisions, but they are represented in the topo sheets. Okay, since it is divided into 4 parts, we can make out that along the latitude, it is, each of them has an extent of 30 minutes latitudinally, and longitudinally also 30 minutes. Now the last series is known as the 1:25,000 series maps, which is the largest scale map. Now there are two types in this. The first one is where along the latitude and longitude you divide 15 by 2 parts, so it comes as 7.5, that is 7 degrees 30 minutes, and 7 minutes and 30 inches, and 7 minutes and 30 inches longitude. So 15 minutes is divided into 2 parts, and each are numbered again based on the direction. So such sheets are identified as 53O by 14 by northeast. So this 1:50,000 scale, when it is divided into again a larger scale, it becomes as 1:25,000 series. Okay, exactly half of that. So this is the 1:25,000 series maps which we have in the Department of Geography, Wadia College. So it is 47 f by 10 by southeast. This is the first type. Now in the second type, along the latitude there are only 3 subdivisions, so each of them is 5 minutes, but along the longitudes it is 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So this is slightly different, and this is done because they want to show even the various details in the map, or an in-depth study can be done. Now these, again for these, the numbering is taken instead of the directions. For the first series we saw the directions were taken. For the second series the numbers are taken. So these are identified as 53O by 14 by 4. So here we can see all the maps together. starting with the million sheet, which is having an extent of 4 degree by 4 degree. It is known as the million sheet because of the scale. These are divided into 16 parts, where each is known as the degree sheet, where the extent is 1 degree by 1 degree. These degree sheets have two ways in which they are divided. One is where they are divided into 16 parts, where each is known as the inch sheet, or we in the metric system as the 1:50,000 maps. And the second subdivision is where it is divided only into 4 parts. So there it is known as the half-inch sheet. Now the 1-inch map, again, for obtaining the details of the region, it has been further made into a larger scale, in which you have two special sheets. One where the extent of the latitude is 5 minutes and the longitude is 7 minutes 30 seconds, and the second one is where it is 7.5 and 7.5. So these two have been shown separately. One is by the direction. So let us not confuse this half-inch direction with this direction, because the extent of the half-inch sheet is 30 minutes and the extent of this 1:25,000 is exactly half of that. That is 7.5 by 7.5. And this is also another way in which it has been numbered, keeping the latitudinal extent slightly more and the longitudinal extent, keeping the longitudinal extent slightly more, that is 7.5, and latitudinal extent as 5 minutes. So this diagram is showing you all the topo sheets and at different scales. So let us get to the summary in the form of a table. So let's revise this. The name of the topo sheet, if it is a million sheet, what is the extent? 4 degree by 4 degree. These are the verbal scales and the RF, and that it is known as with a number, single digit. So for example, 55. Then if we have the second one, the degree sheet, the extent is 1 degree by 1 degree, and this verbal scale and RF is given, that is 1 inch is to 4 miles and or 1 is to 250,000, and the reference number is 55, the number with a letter 55p. Then we have the half-inch sheet, where the degree sheet is divided into only two parts, so the scale is 1 inch is to 2 miles, and here the direction is taken, like for example 55p by northwest. Now the 1-inch maps are obtained when the degree sheet is divided into 16 parts, as we have seen earlier. So each has an extent of 15 minutes by 15 minutes. In the metric system, it is known as the 1:50,000 series maps, and the reference number is 55p by 11. In the British system, they are called as the 1-inch map, where the scale is 1 inch is to 1 mile. Now, these are subdivided into two parts, 5 minutes into 7 minutes 30 seconds, and 7 minutes 30 seconds into 7 minutes 30 seconds, that is 7.5 and 7.5. Both have the same scale, 1:25,000, but they are numbered differently. So the first one is numbered as 55p by 11 by 4, and the second one is numbered as 55p by 11 as oblique northwest. So I hope you have understood the indexing. I'm sure when students, when you come to the department, I'll be able to show you the maps which we have. We have several maps for all the series, and this will give you a much better insight into the indexing system. Thank you.